Now there's a technique for dimples where you get close with the airbrush and then you back away while you're in mid-spray. So I'm going to try to demonstrate that now. Causes it to fade all around so it doesn't like a dot. I'm going to do that with the hand dimples too. Do the inner elbows, the palm of the hand. Sometimes it has dimples here too. You can try to get those if you want. And then you want to get under the breasts and slightly between them. So basically a W shape. And then for the nipples, you want to get really close and pull away like I showed you the dimple. So you're going to go, it's a little slower pulling away. And then you want to get the neck area there, pull it down. Those nipples are a little too dark, so we'll correct that with the flesh tone. You want to get under here too, this area, very lightly. Don't go dark. Okay, and then we're gonna hit these elbow dimples. They're kind of covered up by whoever restored this before, where they were not sympathetic to keeping the dimples intact, which is a no-no, basically. If you restore, you don't want to lose your dimples. Those are important. I'm getting around the wrist. The wrist isn't well defined on this arm, so I just barely even hit it. You want to get your upper arms just a little bit, and I have a dual action brush, so I pull back on this one. I want a wider spray, and I keep the airbrush further from the arm to make it hit a greater area. The butt crack. Yes. Made a mistake. I'm going to set that aside. So with the knee, you don't hit it in the middle on the kneecap. You don't want to blush the whole kneecap. That looks ridiculous. You want to go around the edges in the recessed areas around the knee. And same thing with the fat rolls or whatever you want to call them. So you're going to go, hopefully you can catch this. Airbrush doesn't like to put out paint pointing downward, so I have to stop every now and again and get it working again, which is not cool because I'm running out of battery. Okay, so I'm going to get these fat rolls. If you hit a fat roll or a dimple or something too hard with the blush, don't worry about it. You can correct it with your flesh tone. Just keep going. Don't try to wipe it. Now that I've got the blush done, I'm going to do the hair. And first I'm going to start with a blonde.